Hello kids, let's learn colors name. Purple color, sky blue color, pink color, green color, light pink color, light green color, black color, sea blue color, brown color, yellow color, red color, blue color, orange color. Let's start. A for aeroplane. B for box. C for crocodile. D for doll. E for egg. F for fish. G for green color. H for house. I for igloo. J for jackal. K for kite. L for lion. M for man. N for nose. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rainbow. S for snake. T for tortoise. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Bye bye friends, don't forget to like and subscribe.